Wagwan people, welcome to Tracy's Cooking. Today I'm about to make a delicious potato salad. So here I'm starting off by peeling my potatoes. I have 6 medium-sized potatoes, and this is the size I'm about to dice up all the potatoes in. Here on medium-high we have a pot with boiling water with 1 chicken bouillon. We just add our potatoes. 5 minutes later, we have our potato boiled and ready to make our potato salad. So after you strain the hot water off your potato, you need to put your potato under running water to stop the cooking process, or add some cold water to it so your potato will stay solid and looking nice for your potato salad. So here I have 2 teaspoons of complete season. I'm going to add to the potato salad. And here I have, this is about quarter cup of finely chopped carrot. And here, this is about quarter of a medium-sized red onion, 1 finely chopped garlic. This is about quarter cup of sweet red pepper, and this is about half of stick of celery. And this is about 1 sprig of chive. So our potato looking nice, colorful. This is what I love about my food. I love when it's colorful. So we have our dressing here. This is 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and to this I add half teaspoon of black pepper with 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. We're gonna have this. We don't want, maybe you like your potato really mushy, but I'm not looking for a mushy potato. I just want my potato to moist, and I'm good to go. So guys, for you to know, this is the final result of our potato salad. I did add 1 extra teaspoon of complete season to boost up the flavor of the potato, because potato absorb salt. So for your potato to taste, for all the flavor to bring out, it needs to have enough salt. So guys, enjoy this delicious looking potato salad. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and comment below, let me know how yours came out. Thanks for watching. Bye.